Welcome to Shri Medical College. Today we will explore the importance of good posture for spinal health. Do you recall being told to sit up straight as a kid, either at the dinner table or in class? How long do you spend with your head craning forward while using a computer or other electronic device, or slouching? Good posture reduces the strain on your muscles and back, lessens the wear on your joints and the risk of arthritis, and makes your spine more pliable and resistant to stress. Maintaining an upright posture not only benefits your appearance, but also your self-confidence. You may have heard that maintaining an upright posture is crucial to your health, but do you know why? When we talk about sitting, standing, or lying down, we are usually referring to our posture. Posture is a result of years of habit formation. Many people are able to identify poor posture in others, but they fail to see where they themselves fall short. Most people at work tend to slouch over their workstations, as evidenced by a quick glance around the room. Find out the benefits of excellent posture and the steps you may take to achieve them. The condition known as hollow back arises when the normal lumbar curve, hyperlordosis, is exaggerated. An arched lower back leads the rib cage to protrude and the pelvis to be pushed out of its neutral position, which causes the tailbone to point backwards. Your core, hip, and leg muscles all suffer from weakness when these bones are misaligned. When taken as a whole, these factors may result in a more uniform load on the spinal discs. Maintaining a healthy spine is as easy as practicing good posture. Support for your back is best achieved by optimal posture, which may be attained with practice and awareness. Whether you spend your day in a chair at work or on your feet doing errands, this advice is crucial. The health of your muscles, ligaments, and tendons, as well as your nerves and blood vessels, are all positively impacted by your ability to sit and stand in a way that promotes optimal blood flow. Individuals who routinely employ healthy posture have a reduced risk of developing back and neck pain, low back discomfort, deconditioned and weak abdominal and back muscles, and other musculoskeletal disorders including knee pain can all be caused by a hollow back. When your spine is aligned correctly, you'll be able to move around with ease, and your body will be able to bear your weight without any trouble. Negatively affecting your posture can cause discomfort in the neck and back by putting strain on your ligaments, muscles, and tendons. It's possible that if you work on your posture, you'll see a significant improvement in your neck and back problems. As a result of the abnormal pressure placed on the abdominal organs, slouching might have negative health effects. You can mess with your digestive system and put yourself at risk for problems like acid reflux and constipation if you slouch at your desk or when you're on your phone. If you experience heartburn when slouching, simply straightening your back may help. By keeping your muscles and other components in good working order, you can reduce the risk of injury and wear and tear. Joints are put under unnecessary strain when you stand or sit incorrectly, which can lead to early wear and tear. This is the leading cause of osteoarthritis, the wear and tear variety of arthritis. Posture probably isn't the first thing you think of when you consider what can boost your disposition. Consider this alternative interpretation: your mood can affect your posture, and vice versa, because your brain and body are always talking to one another. You might find that when you're feeling well, you sit up straight, whereas when you're down, you tend to slouch. If you feel your mood beginning to dip, consider adjusting your posture by standing up straight and breathing deeply. After doing so, you might feel a slight improvement in your disposition. Your posture can alter the pressure on your joints, which can increase your risk of arthritis, along with age and genetics. Posture plays an important role in preventing muscle fatigue and joint stiffness by keeping the body in its natural alignment. When you stand or sit upright with your body in the correct position, you are said to have good posture. Learning how to hold your body against gravity in a way that places the least amount of stress on your muscles and ligaments is an important part of learning how to achieve correct posture. When you maintain correct posture, your bones and joints stay in their healthiest positions and you put less strain on your muscles and ligaments. Perhaps you are conscious of your posture and make an effort to always stand up straight. Please exercise caution. It shouldn't be difficult to maintain an upright posture. Constantly standing at attention, hypokyphosis, might cause your head to protrude and your shoulder blades to tilt forward. It also makes you stand with your knees locked or slightly hyperextended, which worsens your lower back curve and can induce hip and knee dislocation. As a result, you'll experience a tightness in your hip flexors and a weakening in your abdominals and hamstrings. Pain in the hips and knees, in addition to the low back and thoracic region, may be caused by hypokyphosis. With the right posture, your body is always balanced and well supported. One's earlobe should be in line with one's shoulder, hip, knee, and the middle of one's ankle when standing in correct posture. Posture should be modified as fluidly and easily as possible when transitioning from one position to another. Once poor postural patterns have been corrected, the resulting movements become second nature and need no conscious effort to uphold. You should carry yourself proudly, but not arrogantly. Maintain a straight back and a braced abdominal wall. Try visualizing your stomach tightening and your spine straightening in preparation for an impact. Keep your knees slightly bent rather than locked and invest in some high-quality footwear if you anticipate spending a lot of time on your feet. Although you may experience some discomfort at first, your body will quickly adjust, and before you know it, you'll be back to feeling and looking wonderful. B.VoC in physiotherapy eligibility criteria. 12th class from any recognized board. Students, arts/commerce/science, of any age can apply. A minimum score of 50% in the 12th class. Join Shri Medical College's Bachelor of Vocation in Physiotherapy and take the first step toward a successful career in physiotherapy. We are here to assist you in launching your career as a physiotherapist. Call us at 9968193009 for more information about our program or to submit an application right away. Shri Medical College, nurturing next generation of healthcare leaders, and offers all paramedical courses at competitive fee and helps in 100% placement assistance. Admission open. For more information, please visit our website shriramcollege.com and like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel Shri Medical College. Good luck, goodbye.